Today I am again here with two more simple science experiments. This is the first experiment which I am going to do. I am going to use a metal scale for placing the magnets. Two sets of magnets are placed on the metal scale. This is the base where I am going to place the metal scale. Now I have placed the metal scale on the base. I have tied two pins on two threads and fixed it on the base. The pin is lifted and placed near the magnet. It is standing in the air now. I am going to do the same thing with the other pin also. You can see the space between the magnet and the pin. The pin is attracted to the magnet because of the magnetic force of attraction. For the second experiment, I am going to use lemon juice, a piece of paper, a earbud, and a candle. I am writing on the paper with the help of earbud using the lemon juice. The paper is blank now. I am moving the paper over the candle flame.
A few moments later.
The letters I have written are clearly visible now. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and also don't forget to subscribe my channel.